Are you frustrated because of mosquito bite? We know it's dangerous. Your baby must be protected from mosquito bites. These bites can cause many diseases. Do you want your baby to sleep comfortable? Here we came with permanent solution for your problems. Must watch the video till the end. Do subscribe and like the channel. Featured screens can easily collapse from one side to another side. Pleated screen is the best option for any door, window or any opening such as large opening. This is the best way to protect home from mosquitoes and pest and small insects. Pleated screen is their mosquito net door that is caused by many of our customers as it is very convenient to use. Must install product. You can install it on your windows and doors in large opening. If you want to install screens like this, you can contact us on our contact number or visit our website perfectscreens.in. Openable screens or openable windows are a less expensive product. It is the best module to install on wooden windows. It can be easily installed and very convenient to use. We provide the best quality of stainless steel net so that you can clean it with the help water and with any glass cleaner. To know more details of product, contact us on 7416415486. Roller mosquito screens can roll up like a shutter. It is also called as shutter mosquito screen. It just takes a little place to roll up. As you can see in video that it takes only place or no place to be operated. Your home with a modern technique that is roller mosquito screens for window. Now the time for royal screen, that is sliding mosquito screen, which comes with UPVC frames and aluminum frame. It is also called as 3-track system. 2 track have glass work and 1 track has mosquito screens. Circulates fresh air so that you can feel fresh. Thanks for watching. If you want to install any mosquito screens, contact us. We will provide you at the very reasonable rate with best quality.